The best way to buy Solana that is, in my opinion, the best way, and I preferred using this over any other way. You have zero fees, it's instant, it's the best. It's the best way to buy Solana. There are some things I do need to warn you about that might freak some people out as they're doing this. That if you don't use your Coinbase account, and like say this is a brand new Coinbase account, you might be limited on getting your funds instantly. So it could take 3 to 5 business days. And the way we're doing this, if you don't use your Coinbase account. I use my Coinbase account pretty regularly, so I'm able to transfer larger amounts of money instantly in and out of my Coinbase account. The way I'm showing you how to buy Solana does 2 things for you that I think you really should know and why I think it's the best way to buy Solana. The first, it avoids fees. No one wants to pay fees on something, on an investment that you're trying to have the most amount of that investment. Why do you want to pay fees on something when you can do it for no fees? The second is we're gonna begin farming for JUP by using a specific DEX aggregator. So in 2025, when they have the next allocation coming in the next JUPuary, you get allocated some of that JUP, so you get some free earnings on your investments. And all you have to do is buy Solana on their exchange, and you will begin farming that coin. Step number 1, you're gonna wanna open your Coinbase account and make sure a bank is connected. We're not doing a debit card, we're not doing a credit card or a wire transfer, we're doing an ACH transfer. That's how you avoid a fee. So you're gonna wanna make sure your bank account is connected. Step number 2, I want you to go to USDC within Coinbase, and I want you to transfer your desired amount you would like to buy of Solana into USDC. And you're doing it again from an ACH transfer, not a debit card, because if you do a debit card, you will be charged a fee. So we wanna buy some USDC. Step number 3, I want you to visit your Phantom wallet extension, and I want you to copy and paste the wallet address that you wanna send this USDC to. And then make sure you don't copy and paste anything else, so that's just there ready for you to go. Now, step number 4, if you're not like me and you haven't done volume on your Coinbase account, you might have to wait 3 to 5 business days for this. But you can watch this through and see how to do it. But for me, it's an instant transfer, so I'm gonna show you how to do it instantly. So in step number 4, we want you to go and visit your USDC that you just bought, however much it is, and we want you to visit your wallet within your USDC profile within Coinbase. Now, when you're inside your wallet, you have an option to buy, transfer, sell it for another cryptocurrency, but we are gonna use the send or receive feature within your wallet inside the Coinbase account. Step number 6, I want you to send that USDC to the Phantom wallet you copied and pasted earlier. Now make sure that wallet you copied and pasted is a Solana wallet address. If it's not a Solana wallet address, that money will be gone. Okay, so we want to make sure it's a Solana wallet address. Another important step within that USDC profile, as you're going to send your USDC to your Phantom, you need to make sure you're sending that USDC from the Solana blockchain, not like an Ethereum blockchain. Coinbase auto sets their USDC to be sent on the Ethereum blockchain. So we want to make sure that's not getting sent on the Ethereum blockchain. We want to make sure it's getting sent on the Solana blockchain, because the wallet we just copied is a Solana wallet, not an Ethereum wallet. And this will not work if you send it on Ethereum wallet. It has to be a Solana blockchain wallet, okay? These next steps have to be Solana, all right? And we're buying Solana. We're not trying to buy anything else. So make sure it's a Solana wallet. I can't stress that enough. Step number 7, once you have sent your USDC to your Phantom wallet, you can now close down your Coinbase account. We're done using that. Now just focus in on your Phantom wallet. Now I want you to go visit a website called jup.ag. You'll see it here on the screen, or you'll also see it down below where you can easily access it and click and go to it. This site is where you're going to swap all your USDC to Solana in an easy way with no fees, and also while farming that coin. There's a couple different ways you can actually buy your Solana too. You don't have to just insta swap it. You can do limit orders, you can do DCAs, you can do perpetuals. There's a lot of different options, but the way we're gonna show you is just a simple swap. And there you go. Once you have swapped your USDC to Solana, you're done. You've now avoided fees. You begin farming the coin JUP, and now you have Solana inside your wallet ready to begin investing in other assets, or stake it in like a validator and earn an APY. Make sure you like this video and comment down below, "We love JUP," Because we do. Jupiter is the best DEX aggregator that I absolutely love to use, and I cannot wait for the next Jupuary so we get more Jup in our bags. Make sure you subscribe to Soul Maniac YouTube channel and follow us on X so you never miss easy ways to swap tokens like we just showed you with USDC and Solana. If you want to continue binge watching some amazing Solana content, pick one of these videos that pop up at the end of the screen, and we will love to see you on some of our other content. We hope you have a great rest of your day.